How is it going, you guys? Welcome back to EV Garage. Today I want to reveal the Banshee build to you guys. So yeah, it's been a long few months of restoring, rebuilding, and overall making a custom bike that I can love and enjoy. So I just wanted to make a quick video showing off and looking into the things I've done to the bike. I have a full list here right beside me of just everything I've done to the bike. Showing you a few clips real quick of just the bike before and after. These are all after shots. But yeah, a lot done to the bike, so I wanted to go in depth more and talk about what I've done. As you can see right there, this is going to be the last clip, and then we're going to hop straight into the list. Starting off the list is going to be the IDP whole shot tires up front, and then in the rears I just got some brand tires from a local dealership. Next up, I'm going to be talking about the paint job I've done. So we have powder coated upper and lower control arms. We have restored tire rods. The whole frame is painted. The rims are painted. Just everything a gloss black. I do have a video of the frame painting, and that's the same process I did with the wheels and everything else. Turned out really good, and it's holding up really well. So I've got new brakes up front and in the rears. Just got some new master cylinders, new pads, and then re-bled them all. Work really well now. Next up after the brakes is going to be a new throttle cable from Terry Cables. I love their cables, super smooth. But yeah, really complements well. Next up is going to be the cut and restored plastics. Have a video about the cut and restore as well. I took a viewer's comment. He was saying to clear coat, and I took that and sanded and polished, and they turned out really good. And then I cut the fronts so I don't have those big old elephant ears. Next up is going to be the gas cover, the radiator cover, and stuff like that. Those are all going to be plasti dipped and then clear coated. As you can see, they turned out really well. I'm really happy with the headlights and everything else. Holding up really well too, and the best part about plasti dip, it's easy to fix. Moving on is going to be from a local place here in Arizona. They do custom seat covers. I had them redo this whole seat cover in foam. The old one was just red, doesn't go with the whole thing, so I got that done. The suspension rebuilt by also a local dealership. Ride Now and Steve Cycles both work together, rebuilding that suspension, making it a lot better. I'm still on the lookout for upgrading. Might go the Elka expansion. Next up is going to be these photos of me replacing the crankshaft. 2 gears in the transmission. I went with the Wyseco stock stroke crankshaft. Really happy with that. It's been performing well. I got 2 new Wyseco pistons up in the top end. Just full hone. And then this is going to be a first start. You guys can hear it here. First start after rebuilding the whole engine. There's a lot more in the engine. There's some T5s here that I added, give it that top end power, even though it already has plenty. But it definitely adds to the sound as well. They sound great. I'll have a clip of me starting up the bike. Yeah, it also has, I don't know if I'm going to show a picture of the factory concepts clutch, but I will have a whole brand new clutch in there, have a new idler gear. Here I'm showing off my brand new Keihin, not some Chinese off-brand, but Keihin carburetors with some UNI pods on there. I like the UNIs better than the K&Ns, filter out a lot more dirt, and then I run outer wears. The carbs are just in great shape, and they're brand new. Got them all tuned up real quick, and then this is just a little quick startup of it. This is just a little video of me having fun doing a quick burnout. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Please consider liking and subscribing. I appreciate all the support lately. Just wanted to make this quick, short little video about it. So yeah, thanks again, you guys. Peace.